I walk almost every day on the beach and find shells. To me, they lend themselves perfectly to jewelry. I call this tattooing the shells, putting gold and feathers and doing different things. These are shells on this piece, actually. This jewelry box is a sculptural piece unto itself, and then camouflaged and hidden inside is the jewel.
Hey, I think I saw a dolphin.
Growing up, the majority of my life was spent outside with my mom. She would point out the most intricate little details that I would never have noticed, whether it's a tiny feather, a little rock. She knew every type of bird that we saw.
The head feathers sometimes are the most beautiful feathers. That's where if the bird wants to get his mate's attention or he feels threatened, up goes the top knot. These are grizzly hackle. It's so pliable and has such a textile feel to it. I use this a lot. In this pin, for instance, put around the outside, and in here is ringneck pheasant feathers, and the iridescence of them is just beautiful.
My mom appreciates the beauty of nature. Her work represents who she is as a person. It's not just what she does as a job, it's her life.